Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to install OnePix Media on Android TV. Here are the simple steps to install OnePix Media on your Android TV, same for TCL, Hisense, etc. First of all, enable unknown sources in your TVs. Settings, Device Preferences, Security. Download the Send Files to TV app from Google Play on both your phone and your TV. On your phone, open Send Files to TV, select Send the OnePix Media APK. On your TV, open Send Files to TV, select Receive. Transfer the APK from your phone to your TV via Wi-Fi. On your TV, locate the received APK and install it. Install Sideload Launcher from Play Store to access the app easily. Open OnePix Media using Sideload Launcher or via Settings. Apps. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.